Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video we'll be working here on the Ford Fiesta MK7. If you have a Ford Fiesta generation from 2008 to 2017, stay with us to see how to remove and replace the turn signal lever. Okay, this one right there. And we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe. We'll be taking the whole thing apart. Check out the channel, we made quite a few videos already, and if you need anything, let us know. So this is the new lever that we got right here from Ford, and we're going to show you guys, okay, how to remove and replace it. Okay, if your turn signal lever is not working, this is the plastic thing that turns it on and off. Okay, you can see, and it's also the one that you switch from high to low beams. So you don't need anything special, but we'll be using panel removal tools because we don't want to scratch our steering wheel plastic here. What you need to do, you need to make sure that you unlock the steering column and you need to push it down and all the way towards you. Then you can go ahead and lock it. Okay, and now with the trim removal tool, okay, we're going to go ahead and pop that thing open. Okay, watch how easy it is with that thing. Okay, we have two clips here and we have the same thing on the other side. Okay, perfect, just like that. We can set it on the back side now. Next, for the turn signal lever, guys, okay, you can see right here there is one tooth, and you can go ahead and disconnect your battery before you do that. Probably it's recommended to, but if you press that tooth this way, okay, and then you need to push the lever up. So okay, check it out now, and it will start, okay, coming out. Okay, perfect. Now the only thing left, okay, is the wire, and the wire I have to disconnect it to show you where everything is. Okay, so just give me 1 second here. Okay, so this is the wire now. You can see right here towards the back side, actually the front side of the vehicle, my back side, there is one tooth in the middle. Okay, it's very short wire, so it's hard to show you guys. So this tooth, you need to press it in and then you need to pull the wire out. Okay, and that's how you remove the switch. So stay with us to show you how to put it together now. So what you need to do next, okay, when you get the new handle, the new lever, you need to grab the wires. Don't pull them up too much because they won't go more than that. Hold it with your fingers. You're going to start it like that, okay, and if they don't go all the way in, on the bottom side, you're going to support them, but careful not to damage any handles, any cables, okay, with the panel tool, okay, like that. It clicked in place. Next, you need to get the lever. Make sure that it's not to the left or right, because there is one thing that sticks out, so it needs to be in neutral position. Push it down until it clicks in the tooth here. Okay, almost there. It's a little bit tight. Okay, perfect, just like that. Let's stay with us to put this one together and test it if it works now. And after that, the only thing that we have left here, we have a couple of teeth to get the trim, okay, in place. You have to do both sides at the same time. Okay, this side didn't go in. Okay, perfect. Now you can bring your steering wheel down if you need to. Okay, now let's check if the lever works. Okay, let's turn the ignition on. Okay, that ticking sound, we'll have a fix for that as well. Let's see the turn signal if it works. Okay, perfect. You can see flashers work as well. So that's how you remove and replace that lever. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.